Welcome back to my channel Tech World everybody. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your location of Genshin Impact game folder from one place to another, and still be able to play this game without any problem. So I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go on. Now what is the advantage of doing this is if you can do this, then basically you don't have to reinstall Genshin Impact again. But it saves your time like of installing a 50 GB game again and again just to change your location. And it's pretty simple. You just need to open a Genshin Impact game launcher and click on the setting icon at the top right corner. And over here, scroll a bit down and click on Find Game Files. Once you come over here, you want to go one step back where it says Genshin Impact, alright. So as you guys can see, this is the initial Impact folder. So what you want to do is right-click on Genshin Impact and click on Open File Location. Once you come over here, go one step back from over here and go on to Step Back, and it's going to show you again Issue and Impact, which is your main game folder. Once you see it, you need to cut it. Once you've got it, you need to go to a place where you want to save, which you can go to your new SSD, but I don't want to go to a new SSD because I don't have it. But if you have a new SSD, you can go to the folder of that SSD, but I want to change this location over here. So I'm just going to paste it over here. Now once you paste it over here, just wait for some time, and remember, if it says try again like this, it means you're getting an Impact is running on background. So make sure to close Genshin Impact if it is running on your background and trying to do the step again, and it should work just like this. So let me show you. I got it and I paste it. Now it should work just like that. Bang. Once you do that, what you want to do is open Genshin Impact, and from Connection Impact inside Initial Impact there should be a config.ini file. Find it. So as you guys can see, I found it, config.ini. You need to open it. Once you open it, just close it to not do anything. Once you close it, go a bit up again, and there should be a Genshin Impact folder inside your Genshin Impact folder, right? So for an example, I put my Genshin Impact folder inside over here. Inside this Genshin Impact folder there's going to be another Genshin Impact game folder. So click on it, and over here you want to click on the top. Once you click on the top, you're going to see this, and once you see this, you want to copy this over here. Make sure to copy this text, got it, and go on config.ini files, your own config.ini file where it says game installation path. Make sure you've got this, and paste the one which you just copied, and from over here where it says / you want to change it to /. All this / is over here. Make sure to change it to /. Alright. You need to do that, so I'm also doing that, so you guys also do that real quick. Once you change all this / the /, just click on File, click on Save. Once you do that, it's done. Try to run your Genshin Impact again and it should open up. So that's how we guys can change Genshin Impact. As you guys can see, I can just click on Launch, it'll start. Alright, that's how we guys can change your Genshin Impact location from one place to another, or from one SSD. Download SSD or HDD. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Bye bye.